Hello everyone, I'm Zui. I'm glad to introduce our latest product, the remote control wheel chassis.
This product adopts Ackermann Steering system. This design ensures that the wheels follow different paths when turning, which improves turning stability and smoothness. The power system uses brushless motors, which have a longer service life and are more durable than brushed motors. The chassis supports battery replacement. You can choose to assemble lithium batteries or lead-acid batteries according to the use of free choice. This chassis can load up to 500 kilograms. The rear axle assembly engineered for high load capacities, boasting substantial torque output and exceptional weight-bearing capabilities. The chassis is equipped with solid tires. These tires are very wear resistant. No need to worry about puncture and tire replacement and maintenance. The maximum speed of this product can reach 4 km per hour and has 7 different gears. You can switch between different speeds for forward and reverse. We also offer a customization service, which allows us to customize the size and load capacity of the chassis, which can meet the different needs of users. Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the remote control wheeled chassis. In this video, we will walk you through the operation in detail, from charging the battery to using the machine skillfully. Let's get started. First, make sure the battery is fully charged before using the machine. This is the charging port where you can plug it in and charge it. Next, before you start using it, turn on the power switch on the remote control, and then turn on the power switch on the machine. Now let's move this machine. By using the remote control, you can easily go forward. Press this button to stop walking. Backward. Stop. Turn left. Turn right. This button is the one-key recentering function. The tire automatically returns to the center. It's very simple. The machine has 7 adjustable gears. You can choose according to your needs. Finally, to turn off the machine, turn off the power button on the machine itself. And then turn off the power switch on the remote control. That's it. Now you can start using your chassis.
We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.